guys, it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. I have got 3 new collections. We've got the luxe versions of the kit, the base versions, and the micro versions. So with the base versions of the kits, we are bringing back the $12 4-page kits. You guys may have seen those as part of the Tuesday deals. They are supposed to be coming out with new releases though. So we are finally now caught up to where from here on out, they will be $12 throughout the weekend and they will release with the kit that they match. So I am going to get started with the first kit here, which is Summer Vibes. I am filming this at Mom's, so the lighting is not the best. I hope you guys are able to kind of see the foil, but I love this kit so much. I think that it is super fun and bright, and I am so ready for warm weather. So we have got up top, there is the foiling on the dress. We've got some fruit here within the foiling. Your quote box says, "Hello sunshine," and then you've got the straw foiled down here in the mason jar. Love how this turned out. And then I wanna show it to you with the bottom washi because we do have that fruit theme continuing through there, and I love this. So this is the luxe version of the kit that I am showing you right now. So we have got the full box sheet, bottom washi sheet, and then your second sheet here has got your boxes, you have icons, and then you have heart checklist, and your third sheet has glitter header, or not glitter headers, I'm sorry, just headers that are foiled. You have a weekly tracker, your 3-bow checklist, a couple more boxes over here, and then your cut washi, and then there is another row of headers over here on your bottom washi sheet, as well as 2 daily trackers. So that is the luxe version of the kit. Every single page for the luxe is foiled, and then I'm gonna show you guys what the base kits look like that are the $12 for the weekend, and then they will revert to their regular price, which is $15.95. After the weekend. Also, coupon codes will not work on top of the $12 price. So for these, you still get your foiled full boxes as well as your foiled bottom washi page. So these 2 sheets are exactly the same as the luxe version of the kit. But your second page here, you've got boxes, you've got some of this functional deco, bow checklist, ombre bow checklist, some appointment labels, and then 2 of the banners. And then your third sheet has got 3 rows of headers, which you do have that 4th row over here. And then you've got weekly tracker, washi cutout, and then some boxes down at the bottom. So that is the version of the kit that is $12 for the weekend. If you guys want it updated to match this, you guys can let me know. I can just remove the foiling from these pages, but for right now, these do still have kind of the older format, except for this last sheet. So that is the base kit. And then I need a better name for those. If you have any suggestions for what to call the kits that are foiled on 2 pages and then unfoiled on 2, let me know in the comments down below. If I pick yours, I will give you choice of a free one of those kits and I'll ship it to you. So next is the Summer Vibes micro kit. So for these, you've got 3 full boxes, half boxes, or I'm sorry, these are more like quarter boxes. You have got bow checklist, ombre bow checklist, the functional deco at the bottom, and then your weekly tracker. And then for your second sheet, you've got your bottom washi, date covers, a row of headers, some more washi, and then some boxes. So that is the 2-page foil micro kit, and those are the 3 different options available for kit sizes. So for the rest of these, I am gonna try to just kind of flip through. It is currently noon, so I am running a little bit late on this. But we finished up Ultimate Planner sale orders yesterday, and normally I would have had all of this done yesterday, but because we ended up working really late finishing those, it kind of just ran over as far as the time went, so we did these this morning. So the next kit that we've got is called Spring Cleaning, and I love how this one turned out as well. I think that the foiling details are just really cute. I love the way that they kind of like incorporate. So, oops, knocked the desk. You've got your cleaning supplies up here, the foiled bubbles and spray bottle. There's a foiled heart bow, laundry basket. There's some more bubbles around here. Your quote box says, "So fresh and so clean, clean," which is just cute. And then you've got the vapor coming out of that diffuser, and then down here you've got the florals coming out of the vase, and then this really cute living room scene, and also I really like this laundry room scene. So I'm gonna just kind of flip. So here is your second sheet for the luxe kit. third sheet for the Luxe kit. And then here is your bottom washi and date cover sheet. So you do have the foiled bubbles going across your bottom washi, which is, again, super cute. And I'm gonna show it to you just next to the full boxes really quickly. And then for your base kit version, same thing as far as here's your full boxes. This is your second unfoiled sheet, or well, your first unfoiled sheet, and then the second unfoiled sheet. And then your last sheet that does have the foiling. And then for the micro version of the kit, I'm trying to keep these in order because I've got listings and everything finished for the website, but I don't have the actual images. So I need to do those really quickly. So for your micro kit, you've got these 3 full boxes, you've got some quarter boxes, bow checklist, your weekly tracker, and then down on your second sheet, you've got your date covers, bottom washi, headers, and washi strips. And then our last collection for this week is actually a reformat of a best-selling kit from last year, and I love this kit so much. So this kit is called Ice Cream, and as you can see, ice cream. So your quote box says, "Hello Summer." You've got some foiled watermelons, strawberries, ice creams, popsicles. I love this. And then you've got the watercolor in the background. Here is your bottom washi sheet where you've got the foiled watermelons and strawberries. You've got your date covers. And then you've got your second sheet here with your icons and boxes. And then your headers and your washi. That's the Luxe version. And then here is the micro version of the kit. I'm just gonna hold up these 2 pages. And then we've got the base kit version, which we will have these listed. They're already listed at $12, and that price will change probably Monday morning. I try to change it on Sunday evening if I'm awake at midnight, but I'm not normally, so that normally gets updated Monday morning. So yeah, that is this week's new releases. I hope you guys love them. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.